The link works for me, so I just wanted to show you what I do. So right here, you just click this hyperlink here, and I use the 4-digit code because it gives me more data. But let's see if this works.
All right, thank you for your help.
Yeah, here it is. So then you just print this. You can, I would print it in PDF. It's just easier to work with. And then you can go ahead and upload that here. There you go. The other thing you need to do is look for the negative signs. So you have no negatives, which is awesome because that means that your numbers are better than the college and better than the state, or exactly the same as. But you do have a lot of NRs, which means there's no records, which means that maybe you can build the amount of students. For example, you don't have non-traditional students, so maybe a whole lot of female participants. And yeah, I mean, your program looks really good, so I don't know what you might want to focus on. That's going to be your challenge, is how are you going to prove to the chancellor's office that you need Perkins funding to help you improve something. But there's always something that needs improvement. So anyways, that'll be your challenge. You have no negatives. All right. Thank you.